Good morning, everyone. I hope all of you guys had a really nice weekend and you all have all geared up with 70 days left to CAT exam. But every year, every exam, we have lots of news, lots of new updates which keep coming on board. So today I'm going to be here sharing with you all a very, very new latest update which has come, which is going to be surprising for a lot of us and create a little bit of panic with respect to what and how to go about with our preparation. But stay tuned, do not get scared about all of these updates because it's not that we can't be preparing further ahead and all of the updates. So what's the biggest new update recently which has come out today is this is in today's Times of India newspaper. So it's an cutout from one of the offline physical newspaper articles wherein you see the CAT 2021 number of questions across the sections to decrease. Okay, this is something which has come out in the news today itself, and it has been mentioned by MP Ram Mohan, who is the convener of CAT 2021. Have they told us that the number of questions would be reduced to what? Well, they haven't told us that. Okay. The only news which is there, if you look at it, it's like, the last year COVID asked. The COVID necessitated changes to, reduce the number of questions as well as the time which is there, and that is why it had come up to a new format which is there for CAT exam. Now they have said that they did not get in any complaints from the new format and all of these things. So what they have planned is that this year they are reducing the number of questions across all the sections. Okay, so they are reducing the number of questions across the sections, but reducing to how many number of questions, that is not what has been told to them. All they have mentioned is that we hope that this will ensure that candidates get adequate time to complete the exam. So we are looking at time stays as the same what it is right now, a 2 hours paper, but the number of questions can be reduced. Okay, now if I have to go and analyze with respect to what can be the reduced number of questions, well, you can have a lot of pros and cons, you can have a lot of back and forth combinations. So when we were analyzing, we have learned through all the previous year papers when paper pattern was changed or the number of questions. So earlier it used to be a 150 minutes exam with 3 sections and 75 questions. Then it reduced to 2008 and 9, it shifted to a 60 questions format. Then 2014 it shifted on to the 100 questions format with 3 hours of time, like 180 minutes from 2015 onwards. Going further ahead, it was stuck on the same 100 questions, 180 minutes for a long time, which is what we expected this year, like a 120 minutes, 76 questions. It will consist for change there and stay there further ahead also. But let's see, since they have mentioned that the number of questions will reduce, they can bring in a lot of changes. In fact, 2015, when IIM Ahmedabad was the convener, they had brought in a lot of first time changes. The whole concept of theta questions was brought by them. The whole concept of 3 sections, like before that we had 2 sections. So now the 3 sections concept was brought about by these people with respect to changing. The syllabus was updated. VARC had no more grammar questions. It was only RCs, para jumbles, para summary kind of questions. DILR का level बढ़ गया था and quants का level थोड़ा थोड़ा कम होते जा रहा था to make it more non-engineer friendly. Right? Now, what can be the expected outcome for CAT 2021 aspirants with this? We can be, now they've said they're going to reduce for sure from 76 questions. You can expect to have either a 66 questions, a 64 questions, a different combination, which is what we will be covering up. Stay tuned for another detailed video with respect to what can be the expected number of questions coming up soon. And for people who are not yet sure where and how to go about with your preparation and how to practice in this 70 days with this new change, get yourself on board to the CAT Kings Turbo course, where we are going to be focusing on revising all your basic concepts starting from scratch. And we have people who have done with your basics but need to level up. Y'all can join in the toppers batch which is there, which starts tonight with 2 hours of classes every day with level of difficulty 2. Why it is very much important for us to level up our preparation is, देखो अब number of questions कम हो रहे हैं in the same amount of time, तो level of questions तो बढ़ने वाला है for sure, right? So start leveling up your game, your preparation. Y'all kickstart with 9 p.m. Lecture tonight with Rahul sir for verbal lectures. So get on board with the same, and you will be having mock tests of the experimental pattern as well. Also, in fact, for all our students, people had been studying with us, who have been giving the mock tests with us from the start itself. Also, they always had experimental mocks which were not 76 questions, right? So if we are having reduced number of questions, what kind of pattern can we have, and all of them, you guys will be getting practice to all of those mock tests as well in your mock series, experimental mocks with lesser number of questions, which you will not have to worry, because you would have already practiced and built your strategies for catering to higher difficulty level, lesser number of questions. All right, stay tuned to the channel for more updates, and do not miss any update about any exam. Bye bye, take care.